What the hell you think you're doing? Fucking asshole. You want to pull that stunt? Go ahead. We're live on YouTube. We're live on Lyft. We're live on Lyft. We're live on Lyft. We're live on Lyft.
Okay, buddy. You see
Go ahead. Live on Face.
You're riding me, bro.
No. No, you're not.
You're riding my
I'm not.
Stop that.
Go ahead. Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on. Stop being a patron. To being an asshole. Being it. Move on. Look how he goes up there and just purposely hits the brakes just so he can do his thing. Keep on going. Where do you think you're going? Keep a close formation. Keep a close formation, you idiot. You're not on the freeway or on a regular road. Keep a close formation. If you don't like it, quit Lyft. And by the way, I got better insurance than you'll ever have. I got great insurance, don't worry. I know it doesn't matter. I know you don't have insurance. Matter of fact, you just said it on live on YouTube. This guy doesn't have insurance, he says. Yes, hi. I'm having a problem with another Lyft driver ahead of me at the LAX branch right here. License number. You have my phone number right now? Okay, can you please go ahead? Yeah, go ahead. Gosh. Do you have it on your screen right now? Because that's what you should be doing. That should automatically be on there. Hey, could you do me a favor and check this guy out if he's got insurance? Because he said he doesn't have insurance, or maybe he has a smart ass. The one in front of me, he's over there hitting brakes and causing breakage, and he won't even. I mean, he's totally a jackass.
Yeah. I'll flag him up there right now.
Okay, sound great. Thank you. Yeah. Anyways, he's let's see. Phone number here. Hold on a second here. Hold on 1 second. Phone number. Let's see here. Oh, 1 second here. Gosh, I'm just. Hold on 1 second here. I can't get it on. I'm on it. You can't get it up. I have two phones. Yeah, hold on a second here. Phone number here is 818-331-9066. I thought you guys are automatic linked to us. Yes. No, but it's not the passenger, it's the driver in front of me. License plate number 7 Uniform Charlie John 601. I have him on dash cam. What it is that when we came into LAX, I let him courteously in front of me, and then he started letting other Lyft drivers get in front of him. And then what he does, and I'm a Lyft driver. There's other Lyft drivers that are behind me trying to go ahead and get into the queue and everything else. And he decides to go there and let other people in front of him that are getting in there. And we're saying, hey, enough is enough. Other drivers need to get in there too. But meanwhile, as he's going forward, then he goes and stomps on these brakes like a little kid. And anyways, so like I said, then he gets out of his car, tries to get in my face. I have him on dash cam, and then another driver intervenes and gets in, tells him to stop acting like an idiot. And so then he tells me he doesn't have, and I told him, I said, just to let you know that, I do have insurance. He says he doesn't have insurance. And I think you guys need to check him out. What's going on? Why he's